Alright guys, so we are back guys, and today may panibago tayong update dito kay MEXC kasi meron sila ngayong Pizza Day Urban Run event. And guys, if you're interested, then let's dig deeper. Let's go. Ayan, alright. So we are back here at MEXC sa MEXC.co. And basically, meron sila ditong bagong event na Pizza Day Urban Run. So run fast, slow is fine, win 1 BTC while relaxing. So basically, ito yun guys. Nag-start yung event nila nung May 19 and mag-end ng January, February, March, April, May, June 2, and yung rewards naman is basically within 14 calendar days after the event has ended. Okay, basically ito yun guys, yung pinakaano nila, bago nilang event kasi nga Pizza Day nga naman, di ba? Again, we're back at Pizza Day and ayun, all you need to do is to play and win. Okay, play and win, guaranteed rewards, and nandito yun. So register lang kayo dito, mag-deposit kayo ng first 100 USDT. Ito yung mga mga new user task yan guys. Registration task, ito yan times 4 voucher plus times 3 voucher kapag nag-deposit ka ng 100 USDT, nag-trade ka 1 USDT, may mga voucher dyan. Check-in task, ayan kasi dito, pwede ka mag-check-in dito. Guys, pwede ka rin mag-deposit fiat task, daily spot task, and napakadaming task na pwede nyong pagkuhanan ng voucher dito, ang pizza voucher. And basically, itong video natin is napaka-ikli lang guys. I will make it really short but informational, okay? Para hindi kayo ma-over information, okay? Hindi kayo ma-block. So, ito guys, kailangan mo lang mga vouchers dan para makapaglaro ka dito. And, ayun nga guys, katulad nito, ayan o. Naglalaro lang tayo dyan. Yeah. Ayan, katulad nito. Huwag ka lang... Ayan o. Guys, katulad nito guys. Huwag ka lang mahihirapan dito. Huwag ka lang mababangga. Ayun, nakuha natin yung reach natin. 620, then claim reward. Ito, may makukuha tayong claim mga bonus dito. Ayan, pwede kayo makaklaim ng kahit ano dito guys. Basically, and for you to have a lot of pizza vouchers, kailangan yung gawin yung task. Yung sinabi ko kanina, basically ito, registration task, new user task, check-in task, daily spot task, daily future task, net deposit charge task, and many more. And basically, pwede ka rin dito mag-invite, okay? And ayun nga guys, kailangan mo lang dito naman maglaro ng maglaro. So, para kada makaka-play ka dito, kailangan mo ng 4 voucher. Ayan. Katulad dito, ayan. Kailangan mo ng mga vouchers. And 4 vouchers every play po ang kailangan nyo dito. Okay? Target score nyo. Kailangan, basta makarami kayo ng score dito. And basically, you're all good to go. And guys, pwede kayong manalo ng 1 BTC habang naglalaro nito. And then guys, welcome to Pizza Day Urban Run ng MEXC. And this is MEXC. I am G's Gaming. Bye-bye.